Hello, today I'm going to talk about the Northwest Kids Character Throw Blanket and Pillow Set, and this is Star Wars Darth Vader themed. So basically, I'm just going to show you the blanket here. It does come with a Darth Vader pillow, but this is the part that I use, and this is what I'm going to talk about. So I will just be showing you this. And this is a very warm and fuzzy blanket, and as I said when I started, it is for kids, basically. But I'm an adult, and I still use it. I use it to warm my feet in the winter time. It's basically a square-shaped, maybe a little rectangular, but it's small. It's for kids. Not kids under 3 years old though. That could be potentially dangerous for them, but it is a kid-sized blanket. I use it to basically cover my feet in the winter time and whenever I'm cold. Like say I'm watching a movie, it's movie night, and I need something to keep my feet warm, I'll use that. I've also used this as a picnic blanket once or twice. Don't worry, I've washed it. And so that's basically what I use it for. It's nice for napping on the couch. I know it's kind of worn out here, as you can see, the material. That is because I have had it for a very long time. I would say years and years. And I love Star Wars. Darth Vader is the famous villain of Star Wars. I think the most popular one. And the blanket is covered in references to him, like the dark side, or there are more on this way, or let's see, Stormtrooper, or come to the dark side. And so, and you can also see his mask, you can see some weapons, and you can see this one here. And as far as the symbols go, they all have to do with Star Wars. You have a silhouette here of Darth Vader himself, and then you have the Stormtrooper here. So it's really all dark side themes. Galactic Army. And basically, I have always been drawn to the dark side, I think, and so I really liked this blanket as opposed to a Jedi blanket. And if you have not seen the movies, I suggest you watch them because you will appreciate them and this so much more. So I love the franchise, and I love having a blanket. I think it's really important to have separate blankets sometimes for events. And especially if you have a friend staying over last minute, you want something warm for them. You would definitely wash it with cold water. It is actually recyclable material. It's 100% polyester recyclable. And it is very soft. Oh my goodness. Very fuzzy material and very soft, and it is kind of thin, but you'd be surprised at how warm it keeps you and really keeps your body heat together. So it definitely keeps you warm. I travel with this. It's great for, say you're on the airplane and you need to go to take a nap or something. Maybe it's an overnight flight or a very long one and you just want to relax. This is a great blanket you can use for that because it doesn't take up a lot of room. It's warm and it's cozy and it's just nice. You can easily roll it up and put it into your carry-on or your suitcase, and it makes a great neck pillow too if you roll it up, if you don't have that pillow. I just frankly don't use it very much. I don't find the pillow to be very comfortable. It is smaller than the average blanket because it's for kids. You can definitely store it easily. It is very warm and just cozy in general. It is gray and black and red, and those are the colors of this blanket. Star Wars memorabilia. There are a lot of different blankets for this, but this is the one that I like because it's Darth Vader. The Northwest Company is, like, they have all sorts of memorabilia. They have all sorts of, not just Star Wars, they have different covers, and it was made in China, and it's a great gift for a Star Wars fan, especially a child. And an adult, obviously, but I would say children might be more inclined to appreciate this, so keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you check this out and join me on the dark side.